Learn 100 fruit in English Part 2. Let's go. Question 51. What is this wild plum with dark blue skin called in English? Answer is slow. Question 52. What is this dried plum fruit called in English? Answer is prune. Question 53. What is this small yellow Japanese plum called in English? Answer is Japanese plum or ume. Question 54. What is this white-fleshed peach variety called in English? Answer is white peach. Question 55. What is this yellow peach with red streaks called in English? Answer is yellow peach. Question 56. What is this spiky fruit that smells bad but tastes sweet called in English? Answer is durian. Question 57. What is this purple tropical fruit called queen of fruits in English? Answer is mangosteen. Question 58. What is this red spiky fruit with white flesh called in English? Answer is rambutan. Question 59. What is this small brown fruit with translucent flesh called in English? Answer is longan. Question 60. What is this red bumpy fruit with white sweet flesh called in English? Answer is lychee. Question 61. What is this pink fruit with white flesh and black seeds called in English? Answer is dragon fruit or papaya. Question 62. What is this green scaly fruit with creamy flesh called in English? Answer is custard apple or sugar apple. Question 63. What is this star-shaped yellow fruit when sliced called in English? Answer is starfruit or carambola. Question 64. What is this green or yellow tropical fruit with pink or white flesh called in English? Answer is guava. Question 65. What is this orange fruit from persimmon tree called in English? Answer is persimmon. Question 66. What is this round purple fruit with white segments called in English? Answer is passion fruit. Question 67. What is this brown oval fruit with sweet orange flesh called in English? Answer is sapodilla. Question 68. What is this green tropical fruit that tastes like vanilla called in English? Answer is cherimoya. Question 69. What is this large, starchy fruit similar to banana called in English? Answer is plantain. Question 70. What is this small oval orange citrus fruit called in English? Answer is kumquat. Question 71. What is this round brown fruit that grows on tree trunk called in English? Answer is jabuticaba. Question 72. What is this long brown pod with sour pulp called in English? Answer is tamarind. Question 73. What is this yellow tropical fruit similar to mango called in English? Answer is papaya. Question 74. What is this red or yellow fruit from cactus called in English? Answer is prickly pear or cactus fruit. Question 75. What is this small green fruit similar to kiwi called in English? Answer is kiwi berry. Thank you for watching. See you in the video part 3, the final part. Thank you.